Okay students, let me discuss how to write a short form of the given expanded form. Okay, this is the fraction form. Now we want to write the short form. So it's a real number. You have to write like this: 80 plus 5 plus 4 by 10. If you write as a decimal format, so you know how to write 0.4 plus, so 5 upon 100 we can write like this 0.05. So this is the short form. So what is the answer? 80 plus 5 plus 0.4 plus 0.05. This is the answer. So if you add all, so 80 plus 5 85, sorry, 80 plus 5 85, then if you add this 0.4, then 0.05. If you add 5 4, then 0.0, so 0.45, so 85.45 85.45 is the answer. So this is the short form of the given expanded form. Let me take another example how to write a short form of the given expanded form. So 700 plus 8 plus 3 upon 100 plus 9 upon 1000. So we have to write short form. So you know very well, 708 plus, so 3 by 100, you know here we have to take like this. So 3 we have to take left side, then we can write 1 by 100. You know what's the value of 1 by 100? So 0.01 is the value. So if you multiply with 3, you will get 0.03. Okay, so I will write 0.03 plus 9, 0.009. This is the answer. If you add this, so 700 plus 8, 708. Then if you add this, see separately I will add 0.03, then 0.009. If you add 9300, so what's the value? 0.39. So how many decimal places are there? 3 decimal places are there. So 708.039 is the answer. Okay, so this is the way you can write the expanded form to short form. Okay, let me see another example for exercise sum. So 40 plus 5 plus 3 upon 10 plus 9 upon 1000. Okay, so how we can write as a short form? So you know very well, 40 plus 5 plus 3 upon 10, we can write 0.3. Then 9 upon 1000, we can write 0.009. So if you had 40, okay, now we have write as a fraction into decimal form. Now we have to add. Okay, so 40 plus 5, 45. Then if you add this decimal number, how to add 0.3, then 0.009. If you add 903.0, so if you take this decimal point only, so 45.309. So this is the answer. So now how to write a short form of the given expanded form. Okay. Hello students, today this video we are going to talk about like and unlike decimal number. So I think this word you already heard last chapter when we talk about fraction, because I told you the type of fractions, like fractions, unlike fractions. So that same concept, you know what's like fraction, which fractions, the denominator, both denominators same, that kind of fractions we call as a like fractions. Example, 5 upon 10, then 7 upon 10, the both fractions denominator is same. So these kind of fractions we say as a like fractions, you know. So because we already discussed many times, the same concept in decimal number, the number of decimal places is same, that kind of decimal number we call as a like decimal number. Example, I will take some example. 8.25, number of decimal places 2, 1, 2. Okay, if you write 2.112, this is 3 decimal places. Okay, if you write 7.3, only 1 decimal places. So see, if you look at the 3 decimal number, the 3 numbers are decimal number, but the point, decimal point after the number, the places, place value, places, number, places of the decimal place. Say here 2, here 3, here 1. So these 3 decimal numbers are different decimal place value. It means here 2 place, here 3 place, here 1 place. So it's not a like fraction, it's a unlike decimals. So it's a unlike decimal. So which is like decimal? Like decimal means, see, example 8.25. Okay, then 6.35, then 9.32, something, whatever may be. But decimal places are same. If the decimal number of the after the decimal point, the decimal places same number of places, it means that kind of decimal numbers we call as a like decimals. But this is a unlike decimals. So see here not even, except 2 decimal places, here 3 decimal places, here 1 decimal places. So these kind of decimals we call as a unlike decimal. Okay. Now we are going to discuss. We are going to find a solution how to convert a unlike decimal into like decimal. Example, the same decimal I am going to take 8.25. You know, there are 2 decimal places are there. Then another one 7.3, only 1 decimal places are there. Then another one 2.112, there are 3 decimal places are there. So the 3 decimal numbers are different decimal places are there. So it's a unlike fraction, it's a unlike decimal. Okay, so how to convert the decimal given decimal number to as a like decimals? So I already told you which decimal number have same decimal places. That kind of decimal number we call as a like decimals. So how to convert? First step, you have to look at the given decimal number place value after the fraction point, after the decimal point right side. You have to look at the number of decimal places which is highest decimal places. It means here only 1, here 2, this is 3. So this is the highest decimal places. So what you will do, second step, you have to convert all the decimal places to same equal to this decimal places. It means you have to convert here also 3 decimal places, here also 3 decimal places. So what I will do, here I am going to convert 8.25. How we can convert 8.25? We can write like this. How we can write 8.25 so 250 or okay, we can write like this 8.250. Okay, then 7.030. Okay, or here like 2.112 as it is. Now the 3 decimal places are same. So now we converted the unlike decimal into like decimal. Okay, so let me discuss another example. 3.8. Okay, then another example 4.275. Then another decimal number 5.5. 0.05, then 6.5. So this is the example decimal number. If you look at the decimal places after the decimal point, here only one place is there, here 3 places there, here 2 place, here only 1 place. So both are, it means all the decimal numbers are not same. It's different decimal places are there. So we want to convert these unlike decimals into like decimal. So what I will do, first we have to check which is the highest decimal places value. So 275, 3 is 3 decimal places, 1, 2, 3. So 3 place is the highest place value. So we need to convert all the decimal places as the same 3. So what I will do, here 8 is there, na? So we have to put 2 0. So now 3 decimal places is there. Here 3 already is there, so no need to convert. Here 2 places there, you just put 1 0 front. Then it converted as a 3 decimal places. Here here one place is there, just put 2 zeros, then it is a, now see 3 3 3 3. So all the decimal places are same. So this is the way you can convert all the unlike decimal into like decimal. Okay, let me see another example of convert unlike decimal into like decimal. Okay, listen carefully. Here only one decimal place is there, here 2 place, here 3 places there. So this is the highest place value. So I am going to convert all the place value as the same of the decimal place value. So as per that, I will write 5.800, then 79.250, then 0.008 as it is. So this is the answer. So now see, all the place values are same. So before that it's a unlike decimal, now all are like decimal. Okay.